A-2 tube assembly. Tools required: reversible drill, hammer, socket set, wrench set, razor knife, measuring tape, 1/2 inch masonry drill bit, 1/4 inch drill bit, 5/16 hex driver bit, center punch. Measuring the tube. For mounting on pool deck, measure the width of your pool from one inside edge to the other inside edge. On the adjustable tube table guide, locate your pool width in a column A. Note the corresponding value of dimension C in column C. Now measure and mark dimension C on both smaller diameter tubes. Insert the smaller diameter tubes into the large diameter tubes up to the dimension C mark. The total length of the tube should be approximately equal to the corresponding value in column B. Bolting detail. Step 1. The 4 V-grooves running the length of each tube are designed to lessen drill bit movement while drilling holes. Start by holding the tubes in place. Use a 1/4 inch drill bit to drill a hole 1 inch from the end of the tube into the V-groove. Rotate the tube 90 degrees. Drill a second hole in the V-groove at 3 inches. Rotate the tube another 90 degrees. Drill a second hole at 1 inch. Again, rotate the tube another 90 degrees and drill a second hole at 3 inches. Now, insert the bolts through the holes. You may have to tap lightly on them with a hammer. There should be 4 bolts at each end of the middle tube. When all 4 bolts are in place, tighten the lock nuts with a wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten the bolts. Be sure to use all 8 bolts as directed to ensure a stiff tube. Failure to do so may cause sagging. Bolting detail, step 2. Repeat this procedure for the remaining 2 bolts. The first set of holes will be at 7.5 inches, and the second at 10.5. Now, insert the bolts through the holes. You may have to tap lightly on them with a hammer. There should be 4 bolts at each end of the middle tube. When all 4 bolts are in place, tighten the lock nuts with a wrench. Be careful not to over-tighten the bolts. Be sure to use all 8 bolts as directed to ensure a stiff tube. Failure to do so may cause sagging. Here is your finished bolting pattern. Hub detail. Insert the 3-inch hub into the end of the tube. Then secure it with 2 self-tapping screws. Finish bolting.